This is the text highlight effect you've been seeing everywhere. And the best part? It only takes 30 seconds to make this effect. This is how you make it. First, import your image which contains text. Now go to Pen tool and make first point at the start and then hold Shift and make another point at the end of the line to make a straight line. Adjust the stroke width, keep in mind that the fill is turned off and stroke is on. After that, go to blending mode and select multiply. This will make the highlight effect. Now to animate this, go to Add, then Trim Paths. Now go to its settings and make a keyframe of the end at 1 second and keep the value at 100. And in 0 second, reduce its value to 0. Now select both keyframes and press F9, then go to Graph Settings and make the graph look like this. Now the highlight effect will look like this. Now to make it more realistic, go to Effects and search for Turbulence Displace Effect and set its amount value to 3 or 4. Now you can make this effect and use in different style. To know how I made this page turn effect, you can check out this video on the screen.